Hi, I am Shastri MBS, Branch Manager, HMT Watches, Hyderabad, that is AP region. See, our products, we have started off this watch manufacturing in 1962, and so far we have produced 11 crore pieces of the watches. We are having three types of watches. One is hand wound watches, that is key system. Number 2 is ADD, automatic date, which will work with a inside oscillating weight, and another one is quad segment. So all these three, we are having 4 units in entire India. One is in Bangalore, another one is in Kashmir, third one is in Tumkur, that is also Karnataka state, fourth one in Rani Bagh, that is now Uttaranchal, earlier it is UP, Nainital, near Nainital. Entire state we are having branch offices, and we are having almost each state 2 to 3 company showrooms, and we are having channels of marketing. One is retail through our company showrooms, another one is redistribution system, another one is franchises. Of course, the CSD and institutional segment also. And we are selling these watches through our counters, and we are also conducting mobile sales, you can say. It's called sales camps in public sector undertakings, or in big establishments, or in government offices. We will conduct some sales and service camp for a week's time or 10 days. Likewise, we are penetrating into the market, and our price range is very economical. This one, our minimum price is MRP is 345, maximum is 3400. Of course, we are having 19,000 rupees watch also with studded gems, all these things. Automatic watches and mechanical watches, we are the only manufacturers in India. Of course, we are having a collaboration with Citizen Japan. Now we are doing on our own. Recently, we are entering into MOU with this Lepakshi, Andhra Pradesh Handicraft Development Corporation, and this APCO Fabrics. We are having different types of watches like leather straps, steel chains, gold straps, that is GP, gold plating straps, likewise. And we are the only manufacturers attending these social welfare activities also, like for blind people, Braille watches, we are only the manufacturers in India. We are having a lot of segments of different models, day and date, and plain and shaped models. For ladies, especially oval shapes with bracelets and all these things. We are having a very good service centers also. And all our watches are sold with guarantee card, with 1 year guarantee, and we are supplying to so many government sectors and corporate offices by engraving their die logo for their corporate gifts or any silver jubilee, diamond jubilee, such functions, anything is required, we are supplying also. And our watch is like a prestigious one. Having a HMT watch is a, people will feel that is a prestige of having a HMT watch. I request the people to visit our showrooms anywhere in India, because not only because it is our pride to receive the customer in a courteous manner and make him satisfied with any type of watch, from 325 to 3,400 or even 19,000 watches. So, thank you.